This looks good to me. Now, I was gonna say don't put your face in it, I just put my face in it. Hey, what's up? It's Tway and welcome to Making It Big, the show where my friends challenge me to make their favorite foods big. So you might notice that my table here is a little warped, and that's because we're filming everything in VR. You can watch the full VR episode with a Meta Quest 2 in Mega Tasty. That's our virtual cooking world within Horizon Worlds, or on Meta Quest TV. Today, I have a very special guest. It's Miss Asia Jackson! Hi, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I am kind of nervous right now.
Kind of nervous?
Yeah.
As you should.
I just don't know what you're gonna challenge me to, and I feel like you are very particular,
Yes.
so I really have to nail this.
Yes, you do.
Whatever this
Absolutely.
is.
Yeah.
So let's see it.
All right, here we go.
Ta-da! Oh, wow.
Yes.
Vietnamese egg rolls.
Vietnamese egg rolls. Look at that.
Okay, so explain to me why Vietnamese egg rolls.
So I'm half Filipino. We have our own egg roll version.
Yeah.
We call it lumpia. But it's such a staple in East and Southeast Asia. So I was like, let's have her show us how to make a gigantic Vietnamese egg roll.
Wow. What about sauce? Do you want a dipping sauce on the side?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I actually have a special sauce that I make for my egg rolls.
Ooh.
So if you don't mind, I can make that for you.
Yeah, I'd love to try it.
I have a lot of work to do. I will see you later.
All right, girl.
Thanks, friend.
I put my trust in you.
Let's get to it. First things first, the wrapper. When I make egg rolls, I usually just use the wrapper from the store, but we couldn't find any that was big enough. So I have my flour here. I am going to add in some salt. I'm adding hot water just so it can hydrate the dough. There's been some debate between if this is an egg roll or a spring roll, but you know what? To me, this is a chả giò. That means egg roll in Vietnamese. I love playing with dough. Put this in my bowl and let it rest for 30 minutes. So the reason why I needed this dough to rest is because I need the gluten to just calm down a little bit, or else I won't be able to spread them out as thin as I would like to. I think this is the perfect thickness for the egg roll too. So yeah, I am going to let this wrapper rest in the fridge just so when I fill it up with the filling, it can stay the shape. See you later. So now I'm going to combine my minced pork, the scrimps, the onions. See all this different texture that's going in? It's really going to give it a nice mouthfeel when you bite into it. The carrots, the noodles, the mushrooms, egg yolks, hence egg rolls, green onions, minced garlic, and there's already a lot of flavors in here, but we do need to add seasoning because you need to season your food. Sesame oil, just a little bit because this is really overpowering. My favorite thing in the whole entire world, fish sauce, nước mắm. It's a replacement for salt, but it also adds that like nice umami touch to it. When you bite into something that's been seasoned with fish sauce, you know that it's not just been seasoned with salt, it's been seasoned with love. So we have sugar here, pepper. Are you ready? Because I am. Whoa, nice massage. Don't you wish you can just get in here with me? Here you go. this is our filling. I've rolled many egg rolls in my life. I have never rolled one this big. Let's do this. Ooh. Let's close. Everything is nice and tight. I have my egg wash here. Fold it over. Ooh. All right. I think I'm ready. Yes! Wow. And this is my giant egg roll. I hope that you cook all the way through. If you don't, you are a disappointment. Let's get this in the fryer. Welcome to the back kitchen. So I have my jiayao here. The fryer is over there. As you can see, the friendly fry guy is here.
Fry Guy, your guide to anything fried.
I am going to stay my butt right over here because that's 10 gallons of hot oil that I'm kind of scared of. So I'm gonna hand this over to you. Drop that egg roll. All right, I'll see you in 2 hours. Bye, friend. So my baby is in the fryer, so that gives me time to make the sauce. Usually, I like to eat my egg rolls with mei poi, a sweet chili sauce, but this is my recipe, so we'll call it tui ploy. I have some Fresno chilies here that I'm just going to give a rough chop. And then I have some Thai chilies over here, bird's eye chilies. Okay, I have my garlic over here. More garlic, the better. This looks good to me. Now,
I was gonna say don't put your face in it, I just put my face in it. Lift off.
okay, moment of truth. I'm about to bring Asia in, but I just want to take a quick moment to just really take it all in because I really did just make a giant egg roll. Look at this. This compared to this. Hopefully she likes it. Asia, please come in.
Oh my God. What the heck? Oh my God, this is huge.
The big giant egg roll that you asked for.
How much does this weigh?
It actually weighs 15 pounds. It is 16 inches long and 6 inches wide. Are we ready?
It's like a baguette.
Let's see.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is so heavy. You guys have no idea. Okay.
I've never. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, you can dip first.
Oh,
since
thank
you're
you.
the guest.
The guest. Thank you so. Oh my God.
Okay. Spice warning. It might be a little spicy.
Okay, disclaimer, you guys. I have a very low spice tolerance, so
Okay,
we'll
maybe
see.
bite over there, and then you can get a lick over here.
No, I'm just gonna go for it.
All right. I warned her. We got that on camera,
Okay,
right?
okay, okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Honestly, this is really good.
Well, there you go. My giant egg roll was a success.
Oh, and the sauce is really good too.
Really?
It's not that spicy. It's not too spicy.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Okay.
Just wait. I'm
I
just
know.
kidding. In the comments below, let me know what I should make big next, and I'll see you next time.
My hand is cramping because this is so heavy.
Okay, let's put this back down.